Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. The LPG reforms in India, liberalization, privatization, globalization marked a pivotal shift in the country's economic landscape beginning in the early 1990s. Faced with a severe balance of payment crisis in 1991, India embarked on a bold journey to revitalize its economy through three key pillars. Liberalization aimed to dismantle the extensive license Raj, promoting a more open and a competitive market. This shift allowed private enterprises to thrive, leading to increased foreign investment and innovation. The dismantling of restrictive policies not only spurred industrial growth, but it also led to the emergence of new sectors, including the IT and the telecommunications. Privatization played a crucial role in enhancing operational efficiency by divesting state owned enterprises and encouraging private sector participation. The government aimed to reduce fiscal burdens and stimulate economic growth. This move not only brought in capital but also introduced better management practices, ultimately benefiting consumers with improved products and services. Globalization further integrated India into the global economy, allowing for a greater and more investment opportunities. It facilitated access to international markets and technology, making Indian companies more competitive on the world stage. As a result, India experienced a surge in exports and diversification of its economic base. Together, these LPG reforms have transformed India into one of the fastest growing economies in the world. While challenges remain, the foundation laid during this transformative period continues to influence India's economic policies and growth trajectory, positioning it as a key player in the global arena. Well, it's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news.